Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to Salt Lake City International Airport. So I'm coming in from the south side, going into the rental car return area, and then we'll take you through the airport. Looks like we got the parking garage here if you're going to be parking your personal vehicle. And following this around to the rentals section. And then arrivals and departures right there, pretty easy. It looks like Fox is off location. Everything else looks to be here on the premise. Here's Delta check-in here, along with the rentals. All other airlines straight ahead, TSA. Looks like we got a food court area up here. The baggage claim. It's got a little shop called Hudson. Baggage claim area here. Looks like check-in is this way. All right, so level 3. Frontier, Alaska, JetBlue, Southwest, and Delta. Another Delta. So here's where you're going to ticket. And then back down to level 2 for all gates and security. And then through security. All right, through security, we've got a food court here. Panda Express, pizza. All the gates to the left and the right. Got a couple bars here. Market Street, nice big seating area. A bunch of gates down here. Some shopping here. So we're at the A terminal. You gotta walk a little bit of ways to get to B, which is where my gate is. Let's check that out. So it's about halfway through the A terminal. 7-minute walk to Terminal B. They do have these little speed walker escalators spaced out through here, so it's pretty fast. And we made it. Right here, Terminal B, same thing. Gates 10 through 38 this way, 1 through 10 that way. Restaurant shopping.